What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kevlar 82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, as you can tell in the title, we're gonna be doing a comparison between stock cats and test pipes on my muffler delete, dude. So I've been trying out different combinations, and as you know, stock catalytic converters actually cut down on power when you have those on. So putting in the race pipes, or as they're called online, test pipes, putting those in actually gets you a little bit more power, free up some power or whatever, and it changes the sound. One of the unfortunate things when it comes to certain test pipes is you get some rasp. You know, if you're running your stock exhaust, or even you're running what I'm running right now, you're gonna get some rasp. I'm gonna show you just how much and how loud it is, dude, and the reason you'll understand a little bit more the reason why I mostly run with my stock cats on with less power. The muffler delete does have a good sound to it paired with the stock cats. You get GTR noises with the stock cats, and then you get race car noises with the test pipes. It's extremely loud, dude, with the test pipes, dude. I mean, extremely, dude. So unfortunately, when I originally wanted to shoot this video, my plans were to put the test pipes on after Dustin Davis from 3.8 Performance actually fixed them and resurfaced that. I'm gonna put some I'm gonna put a clip in between the two portions, as you'll see later on in the video, where he resurfaced them and fixed them. And that's something that if you guys buy test pipes, dude, you got to check them and make sure they're completely flat and level. Otherwise it's going to be extremely loud. You're going to get crazy cabin noise. But anyway, so what happened was I planned on having the test pipes on, shooting some footage with the test pipes and show you how loud it is, and then put the stock cats back on. Unfortunately, taking the stock cats off, one of the screws that come on the stock cat is actually, it's a not a screw, technically it's a bolt that is stripped. So I'm gonna have to remove that bolt and either remove it by drilling it out or getting it out with the 2-nut method from Dustin Davis. But it's gonna be a difficult job. So what I'm gonna have to do is use pre-recorded footage from other videos of me with the stock cats on, dude. You get the GTR noises, whatever. You guys don't understand, but you can hear it in the clips that actually I can talk, and it's not too hard to keep the car quiet and at a cruising speed and everything like that. But when you open it up, ooh man, those noises, dude. I love the way the stock cats sound with that, whatever. But once we get through all the clips and everything like that and all the comparisons, at the end of it, we're going to I'm gonna give you a final little, you know, assessment of this, what I'm gonna do later on, and yeah, everything like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. Yeah, this block is annoying, but yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, she's sounding good right now. Little pop crack. Oh yeah. Give it some beans real quick. Woo! I'm gonna go through the two comparison. I'm actually running right now, I'm running my stock cats. So I'm gonna have to put the test pipes back on for the review, and then we're gonna do both or whatever. So you're gonna get the comparison of how loud it is with test pipes with a muffler delete or whatever. So yeah, one thing I forgot to do, and I laughed when I thought about this, is I forgot to set my cell phone on an unlimited timer so it doesn't lock on me, or at least like a 5-10 minute timer or whatever. So if you go, it falls asleep too fast. It falls asleep within like a minute or 2 minutes of.
And then next right onto Large Street.
All right, so hopefully my stupid Genesis Coupe navigation didn't get lost, because it seemed like
a quarter mile, turn right onto Large Street.
It didn't know where it was going for a second. It kept telling me to turn around. But anyways, yeah, I took some side streets, and I got off the 15 freeway at exit 138 and took that street all the way up. If you have Google Maps, it's gonna navigate you there.
Next right onto Large Street, and then next left.
Okay, it's gonna keep talking over me. But anyways, the reason being, this navigation doesn't do the shortest route. quick, I want to show you guys why my test pipes were so loud when I had them on the car. As you can see, that black soot on the side, that's actually exhaust leak. It's bad on this side. Look at that, dude. Let me show you what really is going on. I'm pressing down this side. It's supposed to be a complete flat surface. See how it's jumping up? It's not supposed to happen, dude. Yeah, these weren't surfaced before they were shipped out to me. They didn't like surface them correctly. They're not true and flat. But I got the mad scientist at work right here. Oh yeah, Dustin Davis is hooking it up real nice today. See, not moving. It's the way it's supposed to be. It's actually supposed to be true and flat, dude. All that wobble, like, come on, dude. All right, you guys, so for this portion, this is gonna be the test pipes, muffler delete, and I'm gonna be in first gear. I'm gonna show you just how loud it gets. And this isn't even going fast, but once I get close to 3,000, it starts screaming. Watch. Hear that? Now if I get on it just a little bit, 3,000, hear that? Tap the throttle, a couple pops. Yeah, this thing's crazy. Oh, see, 2,000 is okay. But once I hit 3,000, that's with the drone, it's really loud. Get on it a little bit. There's a way to baby it. Watch, I'm gonna baby it. Here's what I'm gonna do. Shift at 2,000. See? Shift at 2,000. Granny shift it. You're still gonna get drone around 1,500, but it's not gonna be as aggressive. So, see, I'm cruising it. I'm babying it. 2,000. Shift. You can shift at 2,000, below 2,000, above 2,000, just in that area. And then you can go from, you know, you can put it in fifth, you know, just cruise it or whatever on the streets. All right, I'm gonna give you guys full beans from first gear. Traction control off, let's go. It's full race car, dude. Like, that crap is full race car with it, this setup right here. Like, it's not best for daily driving. See, you can barely hear me how loud it is. You can deal with this every single day, or you can baby it, and yeah, that's all you. But all right, you guys, so now we're gonna get on the freeway, get a chance to show you guys how much drone you have on the highway at speeds going the speed limit. We're gonna go ahead and put it in HH7 real quick. All right, so now I'm up to speed, and here's, okay, speed limit 65, whatever, let it drop. Now you can baby it a little bit. This is with the windows down. All right, so I'm gonna do the windows down, and then I'm gonna do the windows up. So you can hear the drone now, but when you try to get on it, 6th gear, not even aggressive. See how loud it is? When you pick up speed, even at 65 miles an hour, to get up a little bit. So if you can deal with constant, I'm gonna roll the windows up now. Roll the windows up so you can understand. 65, just get on it just a little bit just to pick up speed. You have all this drone, and it gets louder the more speed you give it, you know? So it's kind of hard for Southern California, or anybody in California, period, to stay under the radar with the exhaust setup like this. But yeah, so just cruising, just drone. Now, there's like sweet spots that you can barely get to. So let me slow down. You let off of it and you don't really get strong because you're not getting drone because you're not pressing the accelerator. Now there's like sweet spots where you can kind of see it's kind of quiet. I'm cruising at 65 exactly. That's the quietest you can get it. But I mean, it's up to you guys. You know, you can put it on cruise control if you find that sweet spot. I like to use eco mode on my throttle controller. See if I can get a shot of the throttle controller. So yeah, if you guys not seen the video, check out the video. I did an install and a review on the throttle controller. So right there, I put it on eco mode, and I have it on eco 8, and that's like really like low sensitivity to the throttle, so that I'm really driving like a grandpa right now. See, I can keep it quiet, but I have to keep it like at 60 or 65 at the most, and I can kind of keep it quiet. But it's like, you know what I mean, you have a Genesis Coupe, it makes it really difficult to drive it like that, because everybody who has this car knows they're fun to kind of get into a little bit, whatever. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys the bridge with the test pipes. This is extremely loud first gear. Here we go. Woo! I had my traction control on, so that's the reason why it sounded like that. That was my car breaking loose, and what happens when it breaks loose and the traction control cuts power. All right, so that's gonna be it. Before we wrap it up, basically where I'm at with this setup right now, I do have the test pipes on right now. I plan on putting either one of two things. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do first. I may just put the stock cats on for now, just to quiet it down. I do have some more videos I'm gonna be filming with the test pipes because they're extremely loud. I'm gonna do some reaction videos. It's gonna be pretty fun or whatever. So those should be coming up next. I'm gonna be filming those tomorrow after I'm done with this, or actually 2 days from now, this weekend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna either, like I said, I'm gonna put on the stock cats for now. I may just do that for now, but I want to put the test pipes back on, or keep them on, and then go to the exhaust shop to actually do the muffler delete and get some custom work done that actually might quiet them down a little bit, make it a little bit more daily driver friendly, because I really love the power of the test pipes. It's just the noise, and it's obnoxious to other people, and I feel like I'm being obnoxious to a lot of people, like, oh, it's your car, do you? But another thing too is I'm basically riding dirty out here in Southern California. If you guys don't know, out here in Southern California, cops and the highway patrol do not play, dude, and they're constantly trying to get on people for really loud exhaust, whatever. So yeah, I'm basically driving, you know, like I said, driving dirty, man. A little bit of sweat on my brow as I'm driving, dude, man. This is, yeah, dude, that's no way to live. So I'm living looking over my shoulder. So I'm going to work on the exhaust setup and try to figure out a way to keep the power we have, but make it a little more quiet or whatever. So I'm trying to help you guys out, dude, for you guys to live out in Southern California. But like I said in the video, if you guys choose this exhaust setup, hey, at your own discretion, dude, you know what I mean? Don't get mad at me if you get in trouble. You know, I'm trying to stay out of trouble myself. But yeah, that's gonna be it, man. Doing a little bit of like research and development for you guys, trying to help you guys out. I get so many questions about my exhaust setup and all this stuff that I put in this video. Actually, a friend of mine was asking me about solutions for his rasp or whatever, his car. So I basically made 4 long paragraphs and explained to him my plans and all this type of stuff. And I was like, I really need to make a video for this so I don't have to explain it to people over and over again. So just refer to this video. For all the other mods done to my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate, I'm gonna link that in the description. So just check down below. I have so much done to this car. I've documented pretty much all the especially the performance mods, pretty much almost all the mods done to this car is documented down below, so check it out. It's a long list of stuff. But that's gonna be it, dude. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Hope it was informative, man. Please show your support for the channel. I'm growing. I'm really trying to push the channel and help represent for the Southern California Genesis Coupe community. All the Genesis Coupe owners out there watching, dude. I'm doing this for you guys and the KDM community. I got you. So yeah, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Kevlar82. All right, that's gonna be it, dude. Until the next time, remember to say at the end of all my videos, always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kevlar82 TV. Peace.